the demographers who actually study scientifically this population, they have said that the 2/3 of the world's population is actually there in the developing countries. And here I am going to discuss population explosion, which is a serious global concern, and the world population during the last 12,000 years. Demographers believe that this population explosion started from the 19th century. So let us see what does this graph conveys. This graph is population versus time. So here the population growth was quite steady, but after this you can say 1000 AD, as you can see, there was a sharp dip or decline in population growth. Why there was this sharp dip or decline in population growth? Because of some epidemics. So the reason could be some epidemics. But after this, because of other certain reasons, because of the beginning of that scientific and industrial age, that scientific revolution, this population growth actually had a sudden increase. As you can see, this was, you can say, around 6.5 billion population, right? So this sudden increase in this population, which led to this population explosion, there are certain reasons for this. Obviously, the first reason is better health facilities. It is better health facilities. If there are better health facilities, obviously there is going to be lower death rate, low number of deaths. So low number of deaths means increase in population. Secondly, the reason is new food resources. Well, you must have heard about Green Revolution. When Green Revolution took place, this led to an increase in the food resources. Due to this increase in food resources, it was possible for the countries to feed the hungry and the increasing population. So this could be also one of the reasons due to which there was a sudden increase in the world population. Next is better nourishment of the young ones, you can say. Well, as there was more awareness about the eating quality or the nourishment or the nutrients, you can say, people became actually very aware, and the health was a major concern, and health was looked after by, as I discussed, better health facilities, better medical care. And you must have heard about this vaccination. So this vaccination is done at a growing age just to ensure that the child actually grows well and he is actually out of the deadly diseases like polio, so hepatitis A, hepatitis B. So this vaccination, due to this better health facilities, better medical care and this better nourishment, have led to actually lower number of deaths. And lower number of deaths and this new food resources have eventually increased the population growth rate. So this graph, let me revise you all, what does it show? It's population versus time. Initially, when we go back, this population growth rate was steady. This population was not increasing abruptly. But after this, you see a sudden decline also, this dip. Can you see this dip? This dip is because of certain epidemics, right? Due to these epidemics, a large amount of population of a certain area gets vanished. So due to this, there is a dip. But after this, because of these reasons, there was a sharp increase in the population growth rate. So we will see this by this video also, this population explosion, which is a serious global concern, the world population explosion. So what we are going to see is how this population gradually increased. So if we talk about the previous Earth, if you go back, whatever your cause, it's a lost cause without world population stabilization. So moving on to the prehistoric times, for example, we are going to move back to prehistoric times. According to UN data, the population was 1 million people, okay, in 10,000 BC. In 9,000, you can see 3 million people inhabited this earth. Then it increased to 5 million people in 8000 BC, then 7 million people in 7000 BC, 6000 BC, there was around 10 million people. So this was a pace of increase in population. As you can see in this graph also, you can see this data in this video also. So around 3000 BC, the population was 25 million. And then slowly and slowly it actually increased, but that growth rate was quite slow. But what is the present scenario today? We talk about this present scenario, we talk about 1080, it was 310 million people. Then moving on to the present age, we have approximately 7 billion people inhabiting this earth. 7 billion people inhabiting the earth right now. So this is the data, but still the population growth rate is increasing. Now the population doubles after every 35 years. The population doubles after every 35 years. This graph shows that they were initially slow population growth rate, but now the population doubling rate, after every 35 years the population is going to get doubled. Okay, so this is how this population explosion has took place. This population explosion is sudden and abrupt increase in the population growth rate. So see, 6.071 billion people, right? So this is how this present population has actually exploded. This population explosion is real, and it is definitely absolutely real and very real, of course, because you can see how this population has actually increased, and this increasing population has certain consequences also. Whatever your cause, it's a lost cause without world population stabilization. This was what we actually read earlier also. So this population explosion is going to be a major concern for the whole